Hey Amazon shoppers, it's Amy from 911 Studios, and today we are talking about our favorite vacuum cleaners on Amazon. You guys, this is the BISSELL Cleanview Green Pet Vacuum Cleaner, and I love this one. This was actually my previous vacuum cleaner. I recently upgraded to the Dyson Ball Pet Vacuum Cleaner, and I love it. I'm not saying anything bad about it, but it was a big jump in price. And honestly, I don't know if it's that much better than my old Bissell that I loved. I had it for probably, let's see, 7 or 8 years. So I can say that it really held up for a long time. I just upgraded. It still works. I gave it to a friend. So just know that this is going to be a vacuum cleaner that holds up really well, and I can't say enough good things about it, especially for the price. You guys, this is just as good, or at least almost just as good as vacuums that I paid 3 and 4 times as much for. It's attractive, it looks good, it's not too heavy, it's easy to take from room to room, and the whatever you call the things on the inside are really, really good for getting up all of your pet hair. It doesn't get all tangled and matted in there. It sucks everything up. And I think they say they have like anti-scatter technology, and it really does. It's great for if you're going over pet food and cat litter. Oh my goodness. A lot of vacuum cleaners, if you're vacuuming over those things, it just kind of shoots the stuff everywhere. This really doesn't. It's going to like suck everything up and into the vacuum cleaner. You're not going to have to worry about making even bigger messes when you're trying to clean up after your pets or your kids or yourself. This is a great vacuum cleaner. Again, you guys, an amazing price, and I can say firsthand that it holds up for a really long time. I miss it sometimes. It's a great vacuum cleaner. You guys go ahead and put it in your cart. You'll be really glad that you did.